Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and remove the input lag on your Xbox Series X. So there's a couple of methods you can use. So the first one is by enabling game mode on your TV. So for me, I'm using a Samsung TV. So access the settings and then find the game mode setting. So here it is, for mine here it is. And then ensure that game mode is enabled on your TV. So give it a few seconds. And once game mode is enabled, that might reduce or remove the input lag. So another method is by updating your controller. So ensure that your controller has the latest firmware. And to do this, you can either launch the Xbox app or Xbox accessories app, or you can go to settings. And then within settings, scroll down and find devices and connections. And then within the devices and connections, select controllers and headset. Now at this point, you'll see the controller and then select the three dots and then select the first option, no update available, select that. And then select update now to check for any available update for your Xbox controller. So give it a few seconds. So as you can see, my controller is up to date. So exit. If that doesn't work, you can try the one more option, whereby you go and enable auto low latency mode on your Xbox Series X. So to do this, access settings. So settings, select the settings icon on top of the screen, and then select general, and then choose TV and display options. Select that, and then at this point, find the advanced section and select video modes. And then from here, find the allow auto low latency mode. In short, it's also called the game mode on your Xbox. So allow this and ensure you enable this option, and that will help reduce or remove the input lag on your Xbox Series X. So those are the steps that you can use to fix this issue. If the video helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.